Hi, this is Jeff Camarda for Camarda Wealth Education TV. Today I'm talking about asset protection planning. Asset protection, shielding your wealth from lawsuits and other predatory attacks, can be one of the most critical parts of a sound wealth management plan. This vital area seems to be a high priority for many investors, but surprisingly seems to be overlooked in many financial plans. Lawsuits, liability, and other predatory attacks are a part of modern life for those that have accumulated some wealth. But for lack of training or other reasons, many financial planners and advisors don't seem to focus on protecting against the many dangerous risks that insurance may not cover. But without this valuable planning, circumstances beyond your control could wipe out a lifetime's worth of wealth with devastating impact on you and your family. Consider, if your investment and bank accounts were taken from you, how would that change your retirement income, health care options, and your wishes for your family's inheritance? Just think about it. If you have substantial investment accounts, you may be at more risk than you realize. Many investors aren't even aware of the simplest, most inexpensive techniques to protect their wealth. Common mistakes, like the wrong type of joint account, can needlessly create huge risks and potential losses that could be completely avoided if you have the right expertise from your advisor, broker, or bank. Well, we try to check this very diligently as a matter of course for Camarda accounts that you have elsewhere and other brokers or banks may be needlessly exposed. For instance, many couples should title their accounts as tenants by the entirety instead of joint tenants with the right of survivorship if their state permits this, as Florida does. Even in states that have this, some advisors may shun asset protection planning in order to protect themselves from liability, even though it can dangerously increase your liability. Never before has technology made it so easy for predators and their attorneys to profile your wealth, target your assets, and design strategies to take what's yours. We've seen offshore firms set up shop that are able to very quickly and accurately model investors' wealth and provide a report to anyone that'll pay for it. Such tools can build clear treasure maps for those that would take your wealth. Probate filings, which are public record, can offer another spotlight on your wealth, one criminals and other predators can use. Living trusts are private and can easily protect against this, plus save you thousands or more in probate fees and avoid many guardianship risks, but most trusts by themselves are not very effective asset protection tools. Of course, liability insurance and umbrella policies are a must for most investors. IRAs do offer strong protection in many states, but only so long as the money stays in the IRA. Once you make a withdrawal, the cash can become fair game. Annuities and life insurance can offer protection too, but can be very expensive and have nasty tax surprises. Some states have very strong LLC laws that can be used as fortified family holding companies, but it can take some skill to set them up, so they're likely to work if a threat appears. Camarda believes that LLC structures can offer very strong asset protection when done right, which sadly is frequently not the case in our experience. The key to effective asset protection is proactive, informed planning. Take the right steps before a threat, and strong protection can be simple, quick, and cheap. But once a predator appears, the laws may make it impossible to keep them at bay, no matter how hard you try and how much you spend. So you may want to take a look at this kind of planning to protect your investments. To help, I've written a free asset protection planning guide that I'd like to share with you. Just ask your Camarda Wealth advisor, and I'll be more than happy to email you a copy or send paper if you prefer. And if you know anyone who may have $500,000 more invested, you may want to share this opportunity with them as well. Just tell your Camarda advisor how to get it to them, and they'll be very happy to send it out. The bigger your portfolio, the more you have to lose. We've seen families with tens and even hundreds of millions of dollars not use even the most simple basic protection techniques that you can learn about in this report. Some of what you learn is so simple you can deploy it today at no cost with a quick call to your bank, non-Camarda advisor, or outside broker. Asset protection planning is so important that you should learn to protect yourself before it's too late. Of course, we're more than happy to help Camarda clients implement such planning or to help your friends as a way to introduce them to the firm. I'll learn about simple, inexpensive methods to fortify your wealth against attacks from those that would seek to take it. Take the time, folks. Learn about this. Ask for this report while it's still fresh in your mind. Don't wait until it may be too late. Call now to get yours and tell us how to get one to your friends. Thanks again so much for watching. This is Jeff Camarda. Bye-bye.